Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. This time we will fix an Kugoo Kirin S1 Pro. Let's see what the problem is. First of all, it doesn't start. Whatever button you choose to press, it doesn't start. So, are in fact under this cover. Yeah, the cover of the battery should be here. Yeah, see? Hey. Take the cover off. This off. Disconnect the battery. Yeah, it seems that it had some water damage. Seems that it had some water in. Yeah, there's still water. If you can see. There is still water on it. Ooh, sand and mud. Cool. Let's measure the battery. Well, this is a surprise. The battery is okay. It's 41 volts. 41 point something. So that's not our problem. Let's go further. Let's check the continuity. The controller, the MOSFETs seem to be okay. Yeah. Let's check for corroded connections. Oh, we can already see corrosion. This is the connector from the display, so that would be a problem. So the connector from the display does not look good at all. The red wire, which is the plus, is eaten. It's eaten from the tab. So maybe this is our problem. As you saw, the pin just got out very easy. Let's test the possibility of this wire being the problem. Contact, spark, whatever. Well, what do you know? It is on. And it wants to go. So yeah, this was an easy fix. I'll just solder that wire, clean up all the wiring. I will dry up and clean the whole inside of the scooter. I'll try to take out the controller too, so I can address its place too. Okay, it's coming out smooth and silky. I'll just have to take this block out. This foam block. That's the spirit. And this one. I'll check these connectors to make sure nothing is wrong inside, nothing is corroded. No, this one seems just fine. Yeah, looks just fine. Now let's pull the tab from the light on the fender. This is okay too. Doesn't seem to be corroded or anything. Okay. I'll go clean this up and I'll come back to dismantle it so we can see if there's something wrong in it, inside. Has a little corrosion here. Let's hope it didn't get inside. Let's see how the inside looks like. It looks really clean. No signs of water anywhere, so the little sealing did its job. Cool. Perfect. Let's put it back again. first the controller. And I'll put this under the controller so it would stay up, not in water. If there is if there is a chance that water could get in, this would stay up and water cannot go inside the controller. It just seems that the red wire was the problem. The other one seemed to be okay. Let's leave it like that for a moment. Back. Works. Okay. All I have to do now is put the cover back together, and that's that. This was an easy fix. What I want to do is put some silicone here so water can't reach again, because that's where it came from initially, there and the back. So I'll put some on these. I don't know if you can see them. On these surfaces I'll put some silicone. Actually, I'm gonna put some silicone all over the place. That's that. The scooter is now perfectly functional. It is finished. Have a nice day.